Hey tech fans, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full-blown AI smackdown. Is it possible to build cutting-edge AI on a shoestring budget? Or are some companies, shall we say, exaggerating their claims? We're talking about Google DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis publicly questioning the cost claims of Chinese AI startup DeepSeek. This isn't just corporate gossip. It's a battle for the future of AI, and your wallet might be on the line. Buckle up, this is going to be good. Okay, here's the deal. DeepSeek, a relatively new player on the AI scene, has been making some pretty bold statements. They're saying they've developed an AI model that rivals the big boys, like Google's Gemini or OpenAI's GPT-4, but at a fraction of the cost and using less advanced hardware, specifically NVIDIA GPUs. Now, that's a claim that turns heads, especially in Silicon Valley. Cheaper AI? That could completely disrupt the market. But Demis Hassabis isn't buying it. He's publicly stated that DeepSeek's cost claims are, and I quote, exaggerated. Ouch. So, what's the truth? The core issue here is transparency, or rather, the lack thereof. Training these massive AI models is incredibly expensive. We're talking millions, maybe even billions of dollars, in compute costs, data acquisition, and engineering talent. Companies like Google and OpenAI are notoriously tight-lipped about their exact spending. DeepSeek's claim, even if partially true, forces everyone to justify their own massive budgets. It's like someone claiming they built a rocket to the moon using spare parts from a junkyard. You'd want to see the receipts, right? The immediate impact is investor scrutiny. If DeepSeek's claims gain traction, investors might start questioning the sky-high valuations of companies like Google and Microsoft. Imagine the pressure to cut AI spending. This could lead to a correction in the stock market, especially for companies heavily invested in AI infrastructure. Nobody wants to be seen as throwing money down a bottomless pit, right? We could see some serious stock fluctuations if this debate intensifies. But here's the silver lining. This competitive pressure could accelerate innovation. If DeepSeek can truly deliver comparable performance at a lower cost, it forces Google, Microsoft, and others to find more efficient methods. We might see breakthroughs in AI algorithms, hardware optimization, or even entirely new approaches to training models. Think of it like the space race, but for artificial intelligence. The stakes are incredibly high. Another immediate impact is on talent acquisition. The perceived success of DeepSeek, whether real or not, could make it easier for them to attract top AI talent, especially within China. Imagine being a brilliant AI researcher, choosing between a massive corporation with layers of bureaucracy and a nimble startup promising groundbreaking innovations. The allure of a potentially revolutionary company is undeniable. Conversely, if DeepSeek's claims are debunked, it could severely damage their reputation and their ability to hire the best and brightest. Let's talk about NVIDIA. DeepSeek's claim of using less advanced NVIDIA chips initially sent a shiver down the spines of NVIDIA investors. The company's stock is riding high on the AI boom, fueled by demand for their high-end GPUs. If companies can build powerful AI models without needing the latest and greatest chips, that's a potential disruption to NVIDIA's dominance. However, if DeepSeek's model turns out to be less powerful or scalable, this effect will be temporary. It all hinges on the real-world performance of their AI. The ripple effects extend beyond the core AI players. Think about cloud computing providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. If AI development becomes significantly cheaper, it could affect the demand for their cloud-based AI services. Lower training costs might reduce the need for massive computing power. On the flip side, wider adoption of AI due to lower costs could actually increase overall demand for cloud services. It's a complex equation with a lot of moving parts. This debate is going to supercharge innovation in the semiconductor industry. Manufacturers like NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel will be under immense pressure to develop more energy-efficient and cost-effective AI chips. We might even see the emergence of entirely new hardware architectures specifically designed for AI, moving beyond the traditional GPU model. This is a huge opportunity for companies that can deliver the best performance per watt. Venture capitalists are definitely paying attention. They're likely reevaluating their investment strategies in AI companies. The days of blindly throwing money at any AI startup with a catchy name are over. VCs will be laser-focused on companies that can demonstrate cost-effective AI development and deployment. Show me the metrics and show me the ROI. And what about data centers? If AI models can be trained and run on less powerful hardware, it could reduce the need for those massive, energy-intensive data centers. This would have a significant impact on the data center construction and operations industries. The trend could shift towards smaller, more efficient data centers, or even edge computing solutions that bring AI processing closer to the user. The prospect of more readily available and powerful AI models, even if not full-blown AGI, intensifies the focus on AI ethics and safety research. The text mentions concerns about humans losing control of AI systems, which is a valid and pressing issue. We need robust safeguards to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. This includes addressing issues like bias, privacy, and security. The debate around DeepSeek's claims highlights the crucial need for transparency and accountability in the AI industry. Now, let's get real about the socio-economic impact. If AI development becomes more efficient, it could accelerate the automation of certain jobs, leading to displacement in some sectors. Think about tasks that are repetitive, data-driven, or easily automated. However, it could also create new jobs in AI development, deployment, and maintenance. The key is to prepare for this shift and invest in retraining programs for displaced workers. There's a real risk that the benefits of AI will be concentrated in the hands of a few companies and individuals, exacerbating economic inequality. This is especially true if AI-driven automation disproportionately affects low-skilled workers. We need policies that ensure a more equitable distribution of the benefits of AI, such as universal basic income or enhanced social safety nets. The article notes that DeepSeek's model changes things on a geopolitical scale. If China can develop competitive AI at a lower cost, it could give them a significant economic and strategic advantage. This could lead to increased competition and potentially tensions between the US and China. The AI race is not just about technology, it's about global power and influence. The rapidly changing AI landscape requires significant investment in education and training programs. We need to equip workers with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven economy. This includes AI literacy, data science skills, and critical thinking abilities. We also need to focus on retraining programs for displaced workers, helping them transition to new roles in the AI economy. The increasing power and pervasiveness of AI necessitates robust regulations to ensure its responsible development and use. This includes addressing issues such as bias, privacy, and security. Public trust in AI is crucial for its successful adoption. The debate around DeepSeek's claims underscores the need for transparency and accountability in the AI industry. Without trust, AI will face resistance and potentially be stifled by excessive regulation. Let's quickly touch on some of the risks mentioned in the analysis you provided. The "Are you a robot?" message highlights accessibility issues and potential discrimination against certain user groups. Poorly implemented bot detection can frustrate legitimate users and damage a company's reputation. Similarly, the lack of transparency in AI claims, like DeepSeek's, can mislead investors and distort the competitive landscape. We need greater openness and accountability in the AI industry. The discussion around AGI brings up serious ethical concerns, including the potential for job displacement, economic disruption, and even existential threats. Ensuring that AGI systems are aligned with human values and goals is a monumental challenge. We need to proceed cautiously and prioritize safety in the development of advanced AI. So, what's the takeaway? The DeepSeek claims, and the subsequent industry reaction, have the potential to significantly reshape the AI landscape, impacting everything from investment strategies to geopolitical dynamics. The key will be determining the true accuracy of these claims and how the industry adapts to the changing cost structure of AI development. Is DeepSeek a genuine disruptor, or is this just hype? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: the AI race is heating up, and the stakes are higher than ever. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news and analysis. Thanks for watching.